Viscosity is a material's ability to flow. Viscosity grades are regulated and standardized by the SAE organization. Two types of viscosity grades exist. The first is a monograde viscosity grade, which corresponds to a hot viscosity grade like this SAE 40 lubricant. The second type of viscosity grade is called multigrade, like this SAE 0W40 lubricant that has a hot viscosity grade of SAE 40 and a cold viscosity grade of SAE 0W. These two lubricants have the same hot viscosity grade characteristics within the 40 grade. However, the multigrade oil 0W40 can also be used at cold viscosity grade within the 0W. 0W or 40 classifications are arbitrary and defined within the specifications SAE J300. To define a multigrade oil, 4 measures of viscosity should be performed. We will see 2 of these. First of all, the CCS or cold crank simulator viscosity at a low operating temperature. We will then test the SAE lubricant 0W40. This lubricant should have a viscosity of less than 6200 centipoise at negative 35 Celsius. The limit of a 0W grade is in place at 6200 centipoise at negative 35 Celsius. Therefore, our sample conforms to the specification. The monograde 40 freezes at negative 35 Celsius. The oil viscosity at negative 35 Celsius is therefore not measurable and does not abide with the requirements of a 0W grade. The SAE J300 norm also requires viscosity limits at high temperatures in order to guarantee the adequate lubrication when the motor functions at normal operating conditions. This measure takes effect at 100 degrees Celsius with a kinematic viscometer. We will therefore verify if our 2 lubricants respect the hot viscosity grade norm. The measure consists of introducing the lubricant into a capillary of continued dimension and to measure the time it will take the lubricant to travel a known distance, indicated here by these 2 traits. The time it takes is proportional to the viscosity of the lubricant. The device has a conversion system that allows to directly measure the viscosity. The viscosity of the multigrade oil is 14.456 centistoke, which is in agreement with the 40 grade, in which the viscosity should be between 12.5 and 16.2 centistoke. We have made the same test with the monograde oil, which has a kinematic viscosity of 14.074 centistoke, that is therefore equally in accordance with the 40 grade.